Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you're taking care of yourself. It is currently Wednesday evening. You're like, what the fuck is she doing in this big ass long hallway? Also, by the way, I took my big cam with me. I'm currently in Oslo. We're doing 3 days here. I'm here with my dad, just on a little trip. But here we are in Oslo. It is absolutely freezing outside. It's like 1 degree, I think. So it's really cool. So beanies are out. I have this sled and then the jumper on top. I have gloves, a beanie, don't have a scarf, but I have my ski jacket. Yes, my full-on ski jacket. Yeah, we are currently in the Comfort Hotel. I'll put the name at the bottom, but it's really pretty. It's really clean. It's small rooms, super comfortable though. And yeah, we're currently here in Oslo for the next 3 days. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll take you along with whatever we do. We have a few, most of it's going to be museums, but also just walking around. But it is cold. That's the only thing. So, yeah. Black pepper curry with fennel and mustard seeds.
Stuff to fennel.
My dad hates fennel. What's another one you don't like? What, eggplant? Was that the other one? T'aimes pas les aubergines? He's shaking his head.
Big time.
He doesn't like them.
너란 바람에 흩날리는
I'm the girlfriend. Hello and good morning. It's currently Thursday. We just kind of woke up, not really. I kind of fell back asleep a little bit. We're gonna go and get breakfast. And then come back here, actually get ready, get the beanies out again, the gloves, and then head out. We're probably a high chance of doing the Fram, or the Munch Museum. But I do really want to walk on the roof of the Opera House, which is like like it's literally in front of the hotel. But it's another gloomy day. It's another day where it's probably going to be freezing cold. This is the view from the hotel. That's the Opera House that you can walk on top, like the roof. And then this at night is so gorgeous, so pretty. We are at breakfast, and thankfully there's a whole gluten-free little section. Kind of like giving like crackers, seed crackers, I guess. See this pink thing over there? I don't know what it is, but it's edible. It's okay. The breakfast is okay. I think we're gonna do like a boat ride at 1 around the port. I wish they did like night ones in you remember in Sydney? The one we did. The little cruise on the fact we thought it was just like a boat tour. No, we full on had dinner on that boat. I wish I had like videos of it, but I really don't. I only have pictures. But Australia is one of the best holidays I've ever been on. That we have ever been on, in my opinion. With Namibia, because that's just like a very important place to us, especially to my dad. Because that's where my his dad, so my grandpa, died. In 2001, was it? 2002?
Christmas 2001.
Christmas 2001, like a couple of days before, like 2-3 days. Anyways, it's also just extremely beautiful there. We only did a couple of countries in Africa. We did Egypt, Morocco, we had layover in Addis Ababa, so the capital of Ethiopia, Cape Verde, and Namibia. And you did Senegal with my sister, but I don't think I was born yet. The only continent we haven't done, South America. Never been there before. Anyways, we're gonna eat breakfast.
You did good. Shit happens.
Il est jeune.
See that building? That one?
Tu les vois là.
That's the hotel. My dad has very sensitive eyes, so with the cold wind, he tends to cry. Even like skiing. This man doesn't even wear like, ski goggles. He just like has glasses.
Even with ski goggles.
Even with ski goggles, he just cries because it's like his eyes are sensitive. So as you can probably see, we are now in the Munch Museum. We did most of his work. We're at floor 10. I don't think we're floor 10, but it says that we're floor 10. Because for some reason there's no like floor 8 or like, was it 6? 4? I don't remember. This is another exhibition. I don't know what's in here. I didn't do the last one because I looked at the pictures, it made me super uncomfortable. So I ended up not going in. Let's go in this exhibition. Also, it's so easy to vlog here because I don't know anyone. C'est quoi?
Je te laisse donc le couloir, puis rien. Après, c'est une immense salle blanche. Il y a comme des costumes, ils sont 3 mètres de long.
I think there's a little cafe at the top, so we might go there. Tu veux monter?
Ouais, vite fait. Et après, il faut qu'on réfléchisse si on va après là-bas, faire le tour ou pas.
Ok. Oh, it's the second time I dropped my camera today, so it's without a strap now, so I just have to hold it in my hand. Can you see it? Hello everyone, good morning. It is Friday today. We are off to get a boat to the Fram Museum? Is that the name of it?
Museum, yeah, the Polar Expedition
Museum,
because the Norwegians have been good at it.
We're doing that today. In between I have to stop probably for a tea or something because it is cold today. Oh my god, the chairs are so cute.
어제와 닮은 오늘 겨우 살아는 하루가 지나고 집으로 돌아와 몰아쉰 숨 누군가 내민 두 손으로 어루만 져주면 괜찮다고 위로해준다면 그저 오늘은 또 내일의 어제일 뿐 아직 난 서툰가 봐 털어놓으면 아무것도 아닌 걱정을 떠안고
We are on the boat that's like in the middle of the museum. It's like two different boats. There's this one and the one on the other side. We have cups of tea. We're gonna try and find something after to eat. But this is like a real life-size boat. Like there's dudes that like did like months on here, literal months. Oh gosh. Looks trippy. Okay, so we're in the boat. It's basically a whole thing. They make you literally walk through the whole boat. But it smells really weird in here though. I don't really like it. Obviously they had alcohol with them. He obviously did. And this is like the under part of the boat. And it's just a bunch of storage rooms basically.